So this is a 2012 Prius C, and the battery is dead, so nothing works. On the key fob, you can push this button and pull this key out, and there's a key in here, and you can take the key like this, and you can go down to unlock, or you can go up to lock, down to unlock. And in my case, I was turning the key in both directions and nothing was happening, and I called a locksmith, and for 60 bucks he broke in. He had to pop out this cover, and he said my lock mechanism was not engaging a little thing over here, so it goes back like 6 inches over here, and there's like a little hook, on the lock or something like that, and it's not, it wasn't engaging. So he loosened up he took this plug out, he loosened up a Torx nut inside of there, a Torx, almost like one of these, kind of Allen, and then when he loosened that up, he was able to play with the lock, and it would line up and it fell in the hole, and then he could tighten it back up, put the plug back, and the lock worked. So now you can see from the outside, lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Now it works.